1.
Open your food item. Warehouse. Filter single. If there's an inconsistency, recipe tuning. Copy instance. Copy name. Sim data. Paste instance. Paste name. Recipe tuning. Locate name. Copy it. Locate definition. Copy ID. Locate menu icon definition. Paste definition ID. Check available in restaurant is true. Locate recipe tuning tags. From Lenaid's cheat sheet,
Find that in the description.
add one type, a meal or course, categories, and optional tags if you wanna.
2.
Sim data. Update name. Icon definition. Duplicate recipe tag and add the ID of any you added. Done! The info was tricky to find, but easy to implement. Next!
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.